One of my favorite strategies for purchasing a business, in my case it was auto repair shops, is owner financing. I would look for, and it's not easy to find, but I would look for an owner that was coming to the end of his career, that hadn't been marketing in quite some time, to where I could go and reposition his auto repair shop with better systems, better marketing, more car count, and immediately take the value that he perceived it at and turn it into the market value, because I was leveraging all of my knowledge and my skills in the marketplace for being auto repair shop owner. We talk about these things and more in depth as part of my Inner Circle Addicted to Life community on a monthly basis, a one-on-one interaction with myself. Love to have you be a part of that. Let me share with you a video. DM me the word business and I will send you a link to a recording of one of our Inner Circle meetings where we talk in depth about how to purchase an auto repair shop and how to purchase a business in general.